What are the factors for selecting a mold material? The selection of mold material is an important factor in the manufacturing process of many products. The mold material must be able to withstand the high pressures and temperatures involved in the plastic injection molding process, as well as the corrosive effects of the molten material being injected. In addition, the mold material must be able to produce high-quality finished plastic injection molded products with a smooth surface and precise dimensions. Several factors must be considered when selecting a mold material, including the type of material being molded. Different mold materials are better suited for different types of plastic injection molding materials. Different materials have different properties, such as melting point, shrinkage rate, and moldability, which can affect the performance of the mold and the quality of the injection molded parts. For example, molding plastic materials that have a high melting point, such as PPS and PPSU, require a mold material that can withstand high temperatures and maintain its dimensional stability. The mechanical and electrical properties of the material being molded. Physical and chemical properties of the material being molded will affect the performance of the mold material. For example, some materials may be more abrasive or corrosive than others, requiring a mold material with enhanced chemical resistance to wear and corrosion. The type of molding process used. Different molding processes have different requirements for the mold material. For example, injection molding and blow molding have different temperature and pressure requirements, so the mold material selection must be able to withstand these conditions. The desired finish and dimensional accuracy of the production mold material must be able to produce a high-quality finish on the product, with a smooth surface and precise dimensions. Some injected mold materials are better suited for producing fine details and sharp edges, while others are better for producing smooth, rounded surfaces. The cost of the mold materials. Cost of the mold material is an important factor, as it can have a significant impact on the overall cost of the injection molding process. Mold materials can vary in price depending on their composition and performance characteristics, so it is important to choose a plastic injection molding material selection that provides the right balance of performance and cost. The production volume. Production volume is another important factor in mold material selection. High-volume production typically requires an injection mold material that can withstand repeated use without degrading or wearing out, as well as one that can produce high-quality parts consistently. For low-volume production, a less expensive material, such as plastic polymers, may be more cost-effective. While these materials may not be as durable as steel, they can still produce high-quality products and may be more suitable for short-term or experimental molding. Conclusion. Factors to consider when selecting a mold material include: A. The type of material to be molded. B. The properties of the material being molded. C. The type of molding process is used. D. The desired finish and dimensional accuracy of the product. E. The cost of the mold right material. The production volume. Each of these factors can affect the performance and quality of the mold and the injection molded parts, and should be carefully considered to choose the best mold material properties for the application.